Hello and welcome to another video tutorial for the Tag Genie application for Shopify. Today we're going to take a look at auto tagging products by vendor. This is one of our most requested features. We have listened and we have delivered. So auto tagging products by vendor allows you to automatically apply tags based on the vendor value of your products. This can happen whenever a product is updated or created. You can choose to add a prefix or suffix. Before we go into the demo, let me just mention that auto tagging products by vendor is part of our feature tag rules for Shopify. With tag rules, we allow you to capture business rules and make them explicit, basically how tags should be applied to your products, to your orders, to your customers. Allows you to very easily auto tag everything on your store, and this feature is so easy that you can do it yourself. You don't have to hire a developer or another person to manage this for you. Let's just go ahead and create our first rule. We are going to navigate to tag rules. Here on this page we first display all the rules that are available now. Every week we release new rules, and if a rule is missing or you want to have some other option to a particular rule or just want to send us feedback regarding those, just chat with us and we are going to reply as soon as possible and take into consideration your opinion. Okay, at the bottom currently we don't have any rules created, so let's go ahead and create product by vendor. On this page we need to provide a name for our rule so that we can more easily identify it. Tag products by vendor. Then we can choose to optionally add a prefix. Let's choose a brand for this particular store. Now it's always great to add a prefix, and that way you can easily identify a tag that it belongs to the brands of your store. Then we have transform vendor value field. Now with this field you can choose to apply a transformation to the vendor value. Sometimes people want to have their vendor tags in uppercase, some want them in lowercase, so we've allowed you to choose whatever if you would like to somehow manipulate or transform these values. So let's go with uppercase just for the sake of this demo. You can optionally apply a suffix to this tag. This is rare, but still we have the option here. And then we have the trigger. The trigger specifies when this rule will be evaluated or executed. Usually people want to apply the rules whenever a resource or product is updated or created. Okay, so this covers pretty much all options there. Now we're going to soon allow you to also filter, so apply this rule only on a subset of your product. Now a must-have is the ability to actually preview what will happen if you apply this rule. So here you can select a couple of products. For example, you can search by description or by name and select the product that you would like to test this rule within. When you click done, it will evaluate it and show you the rules as they will look like after this rule has been evaluated. So for example, this jacket, it will add brand and the other tags based on the vendor value. Alright, so once you're happy with the result, just click create and you'll find this rule at the bottom here. Alright, so let's just navigate now by clicking here to view the rule. On this page we can choose to edit the rule if you want to change some of the settings, or take a look at the executions or how many times this rule has been executed and how many products were changed. Okay, I've opened the admin panel for this particular store. Let's add a new product. Let's call it rule test. And let's add a vendor, test vendor, add it, save the product. Now usually it will take a couple of minutes for the rules to be applied. So let's refresh the page and see the results. Okay, there you have it. Once we created this product, our rule was executed and we now have run test vendor as a tag, which is phenomenal. If I go back to the application and refresh here, I should be able to see that this rule was executed and one tag was changed. Alright, so that's how easy it is to actually create a rule and tag your products by their vendors. Thank you very much for your attention and stay tuned for new videos.